Hey, welcome to Supercar. On this channel we explore what makes a vehicle truly special. You might think that means speed, exotic designs, or a seven-figure price tag. But today we want to challenge that idea. We're here to talk about a different kind of automotive hero, the 2025 Dacia Duster. This car's superpower isn't a massive engine, it's an incredible value proposition and a genius approach to practicality. We'll show you how to unlock its full potential, transforming your Duster from a great car into an outstanding one. Before we dive in, do us a favor and subscribe to Supercar. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. We've got honest, in-depth reviews and valuable content on everything from the latest hybrids to timeless classics. Throw out the manual because we're about to give you the insider secrets you can only get from real Duster owners. For new owners, the initial break-in period is crucial. The community recommends a very specific approach for the first 1,000 kilometers. It's not just about gentle driving, it's about varying your routes to expose the car to different types of roads and driving conditions. You should also make a habit of checking for any leaks or unusual wear. A surprisingly common practice among experienced owners is to perform an early oil and filter change after about 2,500 kilometers. This is an old-school maintenance practice that helps clear out any microscopic metal shavings from the initial wear-in of the new engine's components. It's a simple, proactive step that can contribute to your Duster's long-term health. A common point of frustration for drivers new to the Duster, especially those transitioning from diesel vehicles, is the perceived lack of power from the petrol engines. The car can feel sluggish or, kind of jerky at low RPMs. This isn't a flaw in the engine, it's a characteristic of its design. The Duster's engines perform best when they are kept at slightly higher revs. Experienced owners suggest maintaining an RPM range of 2,500 to 3,500 for optimal performance and a much smoother, more responsive ride. This is a prime example of how the Duster's engineering choices lead to a community-driven knowledge base. The solution to a perceived performance deficit isn't found in a part, but in a skill, mastering a specific driving style. You'll also want to heed the advice of many Duster owners who recommend steering clear of the eco mode during day-to-day driving, as it's been known to make the car feel sluggish and unresponsive. This Duster has more clever tricks than you'd expect, hidden in plain sight. Let's start with the one Dacia is most proud of. The Duster's innovative U-clip system is a major component of its modularity. This ingenious feature consists of 5 attachment points located throughout the cabin and boot on expression models, with 3 on the essential trim. These points allow you to securely clip in a range of useful accessories, transforming the car's interior from a fixed space into a customizable command center. For example, accessories like the phone holder, a cup holder, and a fantastic 3-in-1 mobile lamp and hook can be quickly attached or detached, providing instant functionality where you need it most. This system is a brilliant piece of engineering that empowers the user to personalize their vehicle for any journey, whether it's a daily commute or a weekend camping trip. For a car with a budget-friendly philosophy, the Duster has a surprisingly comprehensive set of driver assist systems. However, some owners have found them to be overly intrusive. Fortunately, Dacia's solution is both clever and simple. The Duster features a My Safety button, which allows the driver to quickly and easily customize these safety settings without navigating through complex menus. This single button puts the driver back in control, offering the perfect blend of modern safety and a more autonomous driving feel. When it comes to the Duster's digital displays and infotainment, some owners have reported minor glitches or connectivity issues. This is a common trade-off in the budget market, where digital systems may not have the same level of refinement as those in premium cars. The Duster community has quickly found the most effective solutions. A simple and impactful tip is to use only high-quality cables for smartphone integration. as cheap cables can often be the source of connectivity problems. Another crucial piece of advice is to regularly perform software updates, which can be done over the air and often contain patches to fix bugs and improve system responsiveness. In this way, the Duster community acts as a live feedback loop, quickly identifying and sharing fixes for any issues that arise. The Duster is built to be rugged, but a few simple DIY upgrades can make it feel surprisingly premium. One of the most common complaints among owners is the hard plastic interior and cabin noise. While Dacia's choice of materials prioritizes durability and cost-effectiveness, it leaves a gap that can be filled with simple accessories. For enhanced comfort, a wide range of affordable upgrades are available, such as memory foam seat cushions, lumbar support pillows, and soft armrest covers. For a more refined, quieter ride, many owners recommend installing a sound-deadening mat kit. This simple DIY modification involves applying acoustic mats to the doors, floor, and wheel arches to significantly reduce road noise and structural vibrations. This hands-on approach transforms the ownership experience as the owner takes pride in what they have transformed their vehicle into. The Duster's practicality is one of its core strengths, with generous boot space of up to 517 liters on two-wheel drive models. You can make this space even more functional with a few simple storage hacks. Investing in high-quality storage bins or collapsible crates keeps groceries or gear from sliding around. A simple cargo net is a cheap and effective solution to prevent smaller items from shifting during drives. For the more adventurous owner, Dacia offers its own sleep pack accessory, which transforms the Duster into a mobile base camp with a folding bed and blackout blinds. This shows how Dacia's design is a platform for customization and a lifestyle of adventure, not just a means of transport. Finally, while the allure of performance modifications is strong, the expert community advises a pragmatic approach for the average owner. The Duster is a platform for practicality, not racing. While the internet is full of advanced advice on turbo upgrades and remapping, it's important to remember that some modifications can actually harm performance and efficiency. For instance, fitting large alloy wheels might look great, but they can decrease your fuel economy and ride comfort. The real trick to a better driving experience is understanding the car's capabilities and enhancing them, not trying to fundamentally change its character. The Duster doesn't just compete on price, it offers a level of practicality and functionality that many of its rivals simply don't. Its true power lies in its potential, and the best part is that you, the owner, are the one who gets to unlock it. What tricks have you discovered to improve your Duster? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. With